I'm Mai Salazar. Here are the latest stories. Top story for today, the Food and Drug Administration or FDA said that it has authorized the use of Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use in the Philippines. We have the rest of the details with Jillian Geronimo.
The Philippine Food and Drug Administration or FDA has granted American drug maker Moderna an emergency use authorization or EUA for its COVID-19 vaccine today. In a forum, FDA Chief Eric Domingo said the agency took around 9 days to review the documents in Moderna's EUA application. According to Domingo, the vaccine will be administered to individuals aged 18 and above. Vaccine Czar Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr. earlier said the government procured some 13 million doses of Moderna's vaccine, while the private sector ordered 7 million. The Philippines has placed an initial order of 200,000 jabs from Moderna and expects the doses to be delivered by next month. Aside from Moderna, the government eyes to receive 100,000 COVID-19 vaccine doses from Pfizer in May and 500,000 doses of Sputnik V vaccine within the year. For Golden Nation Network, this is Jillian Geronimo.
For further developments, the country has so far administered 2 million COVID-19 vaccine doses to health workers, senior citizens, and persons with comorbidities nationwide. We have Jillian Geronimo again with more details.
The Philippines has so far administered at least 2 million COVID-19 shots, according to a health official. In a public briefing today, Health Undersecretary Mirna Cabotaje said some 1.7 million people have received their first dose of COVID-19 vaccine. On the other hand, 320,586 individuals got their second dose, totaling to 2 million jabs administered as of May 4. According to Cabotaje, the country has so far received a little over 4 million COVID-19 vaccine doses, majority of which went to Metro Manila and nearby provinces of Bulacan, Cavite, Laguna, and Rizal provinces. These areas, collectively known as the NCR Plus, are under modified enhanced community quarantine until May 14 to arrest a surge in COVID-19 infections. The health official said medical frontline workers received the bulk of the vaccine doses, followed by senior citizens, persons with comorbidities, and essential workers. For Golden Nation Network, this is Jillian Geronimo.
The Department of Health or DOH said today it would propose that travelers who arrive in the country be tested for COVID-19 on the 7th or 8th day of their quarantine. At present, all inbound passengers are tested on the 5th or 6th day of their isolation. Health Undersecretary Rosario Vergara said the DOH is revising its protocol as evidence show that viral load is still high until the 7th or 8th day. She said the agency will be presenting the proposal to the Interagency Task Force Against COVID-19 to adopt the implementation. We are your voice for change. We will keep on bringing updates and the latest stories. I'm Mai Salazar. Watch these stories on News Force.
Here are today's headlines. Philippines administers 2 million COVID-19 vaccines. Food and Drug Administration grants emergency use authorization to Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine. Philippine Coast Guard sees 7 China maritime militia vessels in Sabina Shoal. National Task Force for West Philippine Sea condemns Chinese Coast Guard's activities against Philippine Coast Guard. Inflation rate remains at 4.5% in April. India receives 5th COVID-19 aid from United States. Fair and balanced news. Comprehensive reports that will take you to the heart of the action. This is News Force.